vlog it because I've never vlogged in Colombia before.
Never vlogged in Colombia?
Well, in Medellín.
Really?
Yeah. Too scared to get my camera out.
This way is nice.
Down this side street. Okay. What do you want to say?
This is Paul. I gotta send this to Paul. Your new trying.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the infamous crunch.
I've actually never seen that before. That's like since I've been like only the first time I saw it is this week. I never knew that existed.
Bro, Laureles is really nice. I love Laureles, to be honest. Simple.
It's voted the coolest city, coolest neighborhood in the world in 2024,
I mean,
right?
I wouldn't say it's the coolest neighborhood in the world. I think that's definitely some bias in that opinion poll, but I really like it for the fact that it's so local. It's flat, the locals are more friendly, more places to eat, more local traditional places to eat, which is what we want, right?
Yeah. It's better food as well. Like,
Yeah.
seriously, like you pay like fucking $20 for like.
I'm tired of the poblado food, dude. It's just
like
all
a burger or something.
yeah,
in Poblado.
fucking crap. So I used to stay very close by before I moved there.
Really?
Yeah. And I didn't even know that co-working was behind my apartment. Can you give me a cigarette?
No, I'm smoking.
I'm smoking. Juicy. So you haven't coughed? I haven't heard you cough after you switched to these. Maybe it is healthier.
No, I don't cough that much on these anyway.
Huh?
On the heats or anything.
No,
Yeah,
on the
but
heat,
actually-
you're dead.
Ah, to be fair, like
You're like on your deathbed. I was like just counting down like
because
the
in
sands
the,
of
in the
time.
device, like at the bottom, there's all that like it's tobacco at the bottom, right?
And then
it's
all the
like,
tar and the cancer. You're just inhaling cancer.
and it's like a month old like tobacco just heated up over and over again. Probably.
Yeah, obviously. That's why you're dying.
You're gonna get robbed down here
No.
with my camera. So. Left. Look over there.
Ideally, I would love to live in this area, dude. I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
As soon as you cross this.
Don't tell us. Hi, I'm in Laureles.
Hi, I'm in Laureles too. Because as soon as you cross this bit, it's a beautiful park, nice apartments, very homely, cozy feeling, you know? So you won't get this in Poblado.
Oh, there's a couple of parks in Poblado like this,
But not like this, where there are houses inside the park. So like this apartment, these are houses. This house is in the middle of the park. Like this guy's got a park in his backyard. No, this is I think this is a government office. Sorry.
I remember this place.
Really nice. A little tienda over there.
Which park? What's the park? Is that a name? Is that park of a name? Like Segundo Park. Where's Segundo Park?
I mean, Segundo Parque was the other one. I mean, that's Primer Parque. I don't know which is Segundo Parque. But these, look at this area. I would love to live in this area.
Yeah.
I don't even want an apartment. I want a house. Like
Like
lots
me?
of greenery.
I got basically the house, right?
No,
It's
yours
like a
is
local-
dodgy.
It's not dodgy, it's
It's
fine.
dodgy as fuck. I think this is the cover.
Is it?
No, little more forward. Little more ahead. On the left. So cool and calm and nice here.
Yeah. Suddenly we just get a camera stolen.
And that I used to live in that apartment.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
7th floor.
Okay.
I see somewhere behind you there's like a fucking beautiful little garden kind of area.
Yeah.
That's Twig.
But there's a lot of places like this in like Belen as well. And I'm like,
Yeah, Belen, but Belen's all hilly because of the
not too
foothills.
much, yeah.
Yeah, so you got to walk up and down hills. So Laureles, that's a.
And
So
that
that's
like
Twig.
La America, like Simon Bolivar.
This is
Like-
Twig, right?
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, this is it. Let's go.
Okay.